In this video, I will shortly describe or repeat what this project will be like and how this will be assessed, etc. The thing that we will work with is a program called Our Planet, which you can find on Netflix, and that focuses on 5 different areas of our planet. So we got our forests, freshwater, frozen world, grasslands, and seas. What you will be doing is that you will be presenting one of these. And what I need you to do at first is that you go in on Content Library, where you can find these different ones. Maybe it looks like this, so they need to click on this little arrow so the rest appears as well. Then you click on, for example, our forests, and there's a whole new page with things that need to be done. So note, a content library, you can't edit directly, so you need to copy it first. So what you will do then is that you get on Our Forests, right click, and you pick one of these. For example, copy, and then you could put it, for example, in tasks. The thing you do then is that right click again, and then you paste onto this part. So if you want to be able to do any changes to this or use this actively, for example, click these boxes, you need to copy first. All of the things that you will read and work with here are all inspired by the things that you find on Netflix, made by Netflix partially, and David Attenborough as a main character. So if you have Netflix, log into Netflix, search for Our Planet, and then you pick the one that you are to present. Then there's a checklist. So first you should look at your documentary on Netflix. It might be smart to take notes while watching. So what catches your attention? And you should note down the facts that are presented during the series. So you got facts to present. Then next comes a information sheet, which you can find in the PDF below, which is just here. In this PDF, there's all the information that you need to know, but you do need to study this. If you just click on this PDF, it pops up in your web browser like this, and it might be smart to download it. So then you download, you decide where you want to save this. I think this is a good spot in English. So I click save, and then you've got a PDF like this. So it's a bit bigger, a bit better, and you can use this for editing, changing a little bit as well. And here's all the information that you need to present, at least parts of it. Go back to OneNote. There's also a PowerPoint presentation, which is also found below. And the thing in OneNote is that it's all here already. So you go through and you can see what sort of things are there, even including a small video. But what might be smart is if you click on this little button here, that you download a copy of this one as well. Our forest slides, save. Because when you open this one up, there is more information to be found right underneath. This helps you presenting as well. Now the thing is that this is the PowerPoint that you will start presenting from. There's no need to make your own, but make sure that you go through this as if it was your presentation. So here you are, where in the world? You start here, next, then all these pop up so you can see what happens. But obviously you need to know what these sort of names mean. So you will have to use a dictionary if you don't know what deciduous means. You need to be able to describe that as well. Obviously, we will work with this in class, and you will be helped in class as well, so you're not alone. Then further, after you've gone through the presentation and you feel that, all right, I can actually present this as if I was the expert, because you are to be the expert of this theme. You can practice your presentation and see if you feel, or whether you feel that you manage all of the criteria below. So you can speak for 3 to 5 minutes per person if you're in a group. You've actively used information found on Netflix or the information sheets and or the PowerPoint. So you're not just making things up, but you actually use information. You talk freely where your presentation is based on a ready-made presentation, which is the PowerPoint. And you have studied the information well and can teach your listeners about this subject. Now, once more, we will work with this thoroughly in class so that you will be well prepared. Good luck.